Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I've got a great video for you today. I'm going to teach you step by step how to increase conversion rate on your Shopify store by offering free gifts. This is really cool, and this is going to be all about increasing conversion rate in your store, and more importantly, how to do it the right way, because increasing conversion rate should be your number one priority in your store each and every day. It doesn't matter what you're selling, whether it's print on demand, drop shipping, custom products, digital products. When you increase conversion rate, you're going to make more money. And think of it this way: if you have 100 people that come to your website and 5 of them buy, that's a 5% conversion rate. But if you were able to take those 100 people and have 10 buy, right, that would be a higher conversion rate, a 10% conversion rate. You'd make a lot more money, a lot more sales. And a really popular strategy right now is to use the highly engaging Monk free gift app to increase conversion rate by offering free gifts to your customers. This is really cool, but if you want to implement the free gift strategy, there are some pain points that you might run into. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the exact app that I use. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a programmer or a coder or some type of expert in order to implement this. But most importantly, the app must motivate the customer to do 2 things. One, to spend more, right? That's going to increase your average order value. And then to finish their purchase. That's going to increase that conversion rate, right? We need these 2 things to happen. And that's why you're going to use the Monk free gift and checkout app. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. With the Monk app, you're going to be able to set up the strategy that I was just describing. It's incredibly easy. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do that. You see the link directly below this video. We'll go over the shoulder right now. Here is that Monk free gift and checkout upsell app. You see the Built for Shopify badge. First of all, Shopify only gives this to a small handful of apps out there that meet Shopify's highest quality standards. Basically, they're saying this is one of the best apps out there, especially when it comes to doing free gift. Getting that Built for Shopify badge, super important. And there's a free plan available. There's a free trial available as well. It's a unified app that's going to give you that free gifting, but also a ton of other features as well. There's really a lot of different things here, especially the upselling, the post-purchase upselling that is included in here. But you're going to be able to turn your cart into a conversion machine. I really, really love the gamification that we have here. Gamifying your cart with a tiered progress bar. You're also able to integrate those upsells in there as well. So you could have the progress saying, hey, you're $40 away from getting this gift, right? And that's really all about, of course, increasing conversion rate. And you could have those tiered rewards and upsells. You could even have free gift selection. You could have free gift automatically added to the cart. You could have a free gift added with a discount code. There's so many different things that you can do here inside the cart. You see some different examples of each, like one, if you want the product to automatically be added, let's say if they spend over $200, you automatically add a product. Or if they spend over $200, they get to select a free product. Or if they enter in a specific promo code, maybe you email out a promo code to your VIP customers. If they enter in that code, they get a free gift. So you get the whole idea here. We want people to finish their checkout. We want people to spend more in order to receive a free gift. That's the kind of gamification, the little carrot that we give them in order to achieve what we want. And that's for them to spend more money on our store and to finish their checkout. So you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder and get this installed in one of my stores. All you need to do, press the black install button over here, and this is going to bring you back into Shopify to get this installed in your store. So you click on install. It's going to bring us back over here into our Shopify. We'll go ahead and press the install button. This is going to make the connection between our store and the Monk app. No other technological stuff. You don't need to do any other coding or anything like that. It's all going to get set up just with the click of a button here. This is now installing the app inside of our Shopify store. And now we're over here in the Monk dashboard. And this is going to be kind of where you spend all your time once you're inside of the app. A lot of different things over here like guides and documentation. They have really great support to show you exactly how to set everything up. But I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in terms of getting started. You see our little setup guide over here. We're going to first start our 7-day free trial with the app. So we'll click View Details. We will activate the free trial. This is going to allow us to get going, and we'll press Approve. So that's step 1. Very, very easy to get this in here. You're going to see we just need to complete a couple more steps, and we're going to have this live. So let's set up our first funnel. Okay, and I love how they talk about funnel here because this is really the idea of a start to finish journey for our customers and getting them to spend more. So we'll talk about cart gamification and free gifts. You see all the other features that are in here as well. Tons of great features. In fact, I have another video on my YouTube about setting this up with some more features. Now I'm going to focus on the gifting because this is a great way to, like I said earlier, increase your conversion rate. Very, very powerful here. So we'll do a free gift auto ad. And you see the description here, auto add gift products to the customer order. We could also allow them to, like I said, select it over there. Cart progress bar, also something that we really want to focus on. This is having those milestones on here. So here's our cart progress bar. Very easy to do, only 2 steps. Step number 1, we're going to set a rule and a location. And in this instance, because we're doing a cart progress bar, we want basically people to progress and add more money into the cart to basically achieve a goal. We'll set up that the offer can show with any product. It doesn't matter. We can select different individual products. We can select individual vendors, tags, collections, all these different rule sets. But for our trigger, we're just going to show the offer if it's literally any product. Okay, and you'll understand why in a second. I'll show you this live. And we could schedule if we want. We could enable it at a future date, etc. But we're just going to let this run right now. That's step 1. Very easy, right? Step 2. Now what we need to do is set up our milestones and rewards. And there's a little guide over here that you can click on. So we'll expand and kind of show you how to do the different kind of setups that you can have here. But we'll just literally walk through it. It's very simple, okay? So milestone number 1. And sometimes you might have multiple milestones. Sometimes you might just have one. In this case, we have multiple milestones here. We're going to be giving 2 free gifts when they reach certain progress levels, right? We want people to spend more. So first gift is going to be our portable handheld fan. It's one of our, kind of basic cheap products in our store. What we have here is that if the cart value, and you see all these different ways to kind of set criteria. In this case, we have 2 criteria levels that we can pick from. If the item count, right, if they have, let's say, 5 items in their cart, or if the cart value, and then we have this, is greater than or equal to $20, right? So basically what we're saying is, are they going to spend $20 or more? Right? Are they spending at least $20? If they spend at least $20, we're going to give them this product. And literally you select the product right from your store. What this is going to show is all of the different products in my storefront. You just go ahead and select the exact one. So we don't need to create a new product. We don't need to set anything different up, right? All of our fulfillment will maintain because this is just going to be another line item in your cart coming over from your product list. Okay, so that's our first reward. And maybe you just want to have one reward. That's fine. We could remove this second one. But what we're going to do is have 2 rewards. Say, okay, we want you to spend at least $20. You'll get this portable handheld fan. But really, one of our most popular products is our Dodge Challenger, a little model car. And now we're setting it to $70. So if you spend $70, it's a bit more. Spend $70, and this is mostly a print-on-demand store. So maybe they add a couple of T-shirts or a couple hoodies to their cart. If you spend $70 or more, we're going to give you the Dodge Challenger little die-cast toy that we have. It's pretty good value. It's about a $60 product. So a pretty cool gift there. Definitely a huge motivator to get people to spend more money. And when we talk about motivation, this visual progress bar really helps people or push people along the route to what we want. Because we're going to see it, I'll show you in action. It's going to give the call to action. It's going to show you or show the customer in the literal design display of how far away they are from what they're going to get. So pretty cool here. We're going to activate this funnel. Now we need to enable the app. And this is basically when we go into our theme editor, we go into our app settings and we just turn it on. So I'm going to come over here and show you how to do this. You just click enable. It's going to bring you exactly to the right section. Right over here, we're going to be turning on the Monk section. Here it's on. Here it's off. Right, here we go. Here's on and save. Okay, what that's doing is basically turning it on in terms of the display. So if you don't do this part, no one's going to be able to see what you just created. So we can fetch status. It's going to say that it's all good because we did that. And now we're good to go. So we'll come back over here, and I'll come to funnels in a second because I want to set up one more thing. But we have analytics as well. We're not going to see anything right now because we just installed the app. But this is really powerful because it's going to show you obviously things like views, but also really more importantly, revenue. You're going to be able to see exactly how much money this app is making you. So really cool. Full translation inside of here. You've got your settings in terms of your plan and all that great stuff inside here. Great support as well. But really, it's just about funnels, right? Setting up the funnels that you want over here. You see our app is enabled because we turned it on. Inside of our theme, We can even do A/B testing on our different funnels over here. Now let's go test this out. I'll show you. This is the live store in action. So we got to add $20 at least to get our first gift. So I'm going to go ahead and add just our, one of our normal t-shirts. So I'll go ahead and add to cart. Okay, so we'll look at our cart over here, and immediately, if you notice what's happening, we have our battery-powered fan, our gift number 1, added into the cart. You see that it shows the original price. It's now crossed out. It's $0 because we're getting this as a free gift. So this happens automatically, right? You spend the $20, you get the gift. Okay, but we're also now motivating them to spend more, right? You see the progress, right? Here's the progress bar over here. So we have that, kind of gamification. We have the clear incentivization here to get them, to motivate them to take action, to spend more money. Okay, so they say, okay, wow, you know what? This is a pretty cool gift that I can get. Why don't I go and maybe I'll take a look at some more products. So they said I need to get $70, so maybe I'll go over here and I'll add the $50 hoodie as well. I'll go to my cart, and what's going to happen? Well, we immediately have our free gifts. Right? We don't need to, pre-qualify for them or anything like that. They just happen. Right? Everything happens automatically. It's really, really powerful here because we see, again, the line item is crossed out, right? It's $0. But the cool part about this is if this is drop shipping or print on demand, it's still going to automatically fulfill because it's a product inside of an order just like any other product. So everything works. Everything, kind of continues on with your existing fulfillment, which is super important. And we have over here that motivation and now the confirmation that they've got the free gifts and they've filled their progress bar. So this is really cool. We have this cart progress bar. I'm going to show you another one. Come over here. We'll do a free gift auto ad. So the first part of this, similar to before, we're going to show offer if. And you see there are other different rules here as well. For example, cart value range. That's what we're going to play around with here. But you could even do things like specific countries, customer tags, specific collection, individual product count. So there are a lot of different options here. We're going to do cart value range. Okay, so if we see a cart value range that is higher than $199, we're going to give a free product. Okay, you can create and or scenarios here to have different rules over here, but you see the example. I'm going to go to the next section. Select our product. Okay, so if we meet the rule, what is the product that's going to be automatically added into the customer's cart? I'll come over here. I'll select that Challenger again. So we'll add that over here. We could even select the quantity over here. If you wanted to add multiple products, you could do that. You see all of this section over here, and I really want to put this over here. Automatically remove gift for cart for ineligible offers. I think this is smart to put this in here because let's say they edit their cart or change things in here. We don't want to get the gift given unless they really meet all of this scenario. So we'll have this over here. We have the checkbox over here. Refresh the page as well so they see everything right up to date. We'll click Activate Funnel, and now we have another funnel. You see that I disabled that previous funnel over here. I want to just focus on this free gift auto add one, and we're going to see that this is automatically going to get set up here. I'm going to, let's open this in a new incognito window so we're not logged in as the admin. And let's go shop, and we need to add over $199 worth, right? So let's go to the hoodie at $50 each. Let's add 4 of those. That's going to create that scenario where we meet that minimum of $199. So we'll go to add cart, and you see automatically, right? I don't need to do anything at all. We have that Dodge Challenger added into the cart. And you see it's automatically discounted here down to $0 because we're giving it as a free gift. So the cool thing about this is that it's still the product in your store. So if it's print on demand or if it's drop shipping or if you have some type of fulfillment on it, it's still going to work the exact same way. Just like if they were to order this, as a standalone product, just gets added into the order. The only thing is it just costs them $0. So really, really powerful over there. You see it literally automatically added into the cart immediately. Now, if I were to disqualify myself, right, we want to be at $199 or higher. We go down to 3, right? Now we have the product in the cart at the full price, right? They don't get it as a gift anymore, right? It's just not a gift because they haven't met the number that we want. So we have that protection in here for us as the seller. So a lot of different things that you could do. And of course, the analytics will start to show up with all of the different information about all of your different funnels, whichever ones are active or inactive right now. And you could have multiple ones active for sure. These can all integrate with things like upselling as well, because you see all of the different cross-selling, quantity breaks, upselling, and of course that post-purchase upselling that comes with the app as well. Really, really incredibly powerful app because it gives you so many different features. So that's the Monk free gift and checkout upsell app. You saw the power of free gifts live right in front of your face. Highly recommend. Go ahead and copy exactly what I did step by step. Get this implemented in your store. You see the link directly below this video for Monk. Again, built for Shopify badge, a massive 4.9 out of 5-star reviews on close to 500 reviews. I mean, the bottom line is this is a great, powerful app, very easy to use, that's going to increase your conversion rate. It's a total must-have. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. Get this in your store, and I hope this helps you make some money. Thanks a lot. Talk to you real soon.